Hello, thanks for joining me for another review. Right, today we're going to Scotland and BrewDog. One of their kind of newer kind of seasonals is their Clockwork Tangerine. This is their Session IPA or Session India Ale, whatever you want to call it. 4.5% ABV, 35 IBUs. This is, I'll let you into it. I brought a 4-pack when I was in London a week ago and I had 3 of them up there, so I've had it before for the first time. This is the 4th and last one. I'm going to do a review of it. So yeah, I thought give it a try. I've not seen it in the big bottles anywhere, although I've seen other people do it, and was it 650ml bottles for like £3? Yeah, this has been rattling around a bit, and the other 2 or 3 cans have been a little bit foamy when I've opened it up, so hopefully this doesn't go everywhere. No, it's settled down. It's been in the fridge a couple of 3 days, so let's dive straight into this one then. So yeah, this is a winner of the prototype apparently, just done a little bit of research. What does it say? Tangerine Session IPA, winner of the 2017 Prototype Challenge. What it's saying. Leave a little bit there for my nose to get in. So yeah, beer in a glass. It's like a deep orangey colour really, and there's a slight haze. It's just come straight out of the fridge. There is a tinge to the head of a kind of a. The hell is that? It's gone now. There's a slight orangey kind of tinge to it. But yeah, it was a half a finger ahead-ish. But yeah, decent carbonation running through the beer. Aroma then. Yeah, and I'm getting more of a fleshy orange, but it's coming across to me more artificial. Yeah, it's definitely that fleshy orange juice. Maybe a little bit of rind. Yes, I mean it's got a fantastic aroma for this style of beer. It's straight out of the fridge as well. It's not too bad at all. I think I only had one of the 3 other cans that was actually fridge temperature. So, but yeah, it's smelling really good. Maybe it's the glass. I've got a better glass now. I don't know. It's more of a kind of a fruit salad orange, but you got orange and it's like a fruit salady kind of thing. But yeah, straight up the nose again. How many times am I going to do that in review? Let's go for it. Cheers. You know these guys are out of Scotland, Ellon, Aberdeenshire, so cheers. It is what it is. It's a Session IPA, 4.5%. It's a little bit, it's okay, got that initial citrusy rush, if you like. But then after that, still there, still there, still there. And then it's gone. It just fades into the background. There's no lingering kind of flavour from this beer. I mean, it's 35 IBUs, so it's not going to be coming across bitter as such, but it's actually more bitter than I thought it would be at 35. Not that that kind of thing matters, because everyone has different kind of palates or, you know, tolerances of bitterness, so depending on what you drink, of course. But yeah, it's not too bad at all. Pull the rest of that in. It's okay. It is what it is. I mean, I think I paid £6.50 for a 4-pack of this. If I was going for a 4-pack of any of the BrewDog beers, I'd probably go with an Elvis juice. There's a little bit more bang for your buck, if you like. It was a higher ABV. This is only 4.5. I think Elvis juice is 6 point whatever. So 6.7, 6, I can't remember, but yeah, so I'd probably opt for that. Or even the Punk IPA over this potentially, price wise. That's like 6.5. So, but no, this is it's all right. It just lacks it. It kind of falls off a little bit of a cliff, flavour wise. You could polish off a 4-pack of this quite easily in an hour or so, I'd say. I know BrewDog got a lot of flack from a certain beer reviewer, which, you know, I kind of, it depends where you're looking at as a. This is more aimed, I would say, to the anyone new to craft beer, not particularly, say, myself. So I'm not going to kind of knock it down on my own personal tastes, really, too much, like slag it off. I mean by that, I'm still going to rate it accordingly, of course, for myself. But yeah, you know what I'm getting at. So anyway, enough waffle. My own personal kind of view on it. I don't know if I've actually given I probably have. It's probably going to be wrong from when I checked it in on Untapped. I'm curious, right? Have I given this a rating anywhere? I don't think I have, which is odd. It's very odd. Nope. I'm going to give this. I'll give this a 7. A 7 out of 10, 3.5 on the Untapped scale. If you're new to craft beer, you probably disagree with me and give it a higher score than that, which is, I kind of understand. Or you might just like it at all. I get it. So yeah, that's it. So I don't know if any of my fellow beer tubers have reviewed this. They probably have, but yeah, this is one of their new seasonals. I think they said this is replacing Hop Fiction, according to Untapped. Is it Hop Fiction? Yes, it is a Hop Fiction. So there you go. It's the second quarterly release, apparently. So yeah, that's it. Poor lighting, but yeah, this is BrewDog's Clockwork Tangerine Session IPA, 4.5%. Let me know down below if you've had it before, and I'll see you on the next review. Cheers.